got this bike. Oh my gosh. I don't even want to get crucified by Harley people. How dare you leave that bike outside like that? Let's see if we can't get a nice little cold start. Let's see if it... 3. It usually starts on the second one, so I don't judge. Because I get that. That's a weird knock. It sounds like it's coming from the bottom end. Ooh. Now I got nothing at all. I don't have anything. That's not good. Sick as shit. All those fucking allergies. But... we got a... Don't know what... Why when I open that, this fucking light turned on. And we got some... Gotta hear the fan on. Fuck. Like I said, usually the second or third time. Aha! Fire! Premature. Of course. It's always something. But hey, we're on the roll here. We're on the good side of it. We got power. It fucking turned over. Had a little... That's what the fuck I'm talking about. Woo! We need new spark plugs. That's why it's erratic like that. sensor that is. Looks like a temperature sensor. Let me get this baby some revs. Some of that old school V8 LT1 shit. You want to know how you can appear to drive fast? This is next. I'm sick, dog. Relax. It ain't the vid either. Oh, she. We got them cat bags on here? Oh! She's gonna be looking purr. So, brakes. I don't even know what the fuck it is. Brakes. Spark plug. Whatever that sensor is. Coilovers. Wheels. Paint. Paint is gonna be like this, but a little bit better. It's actually gonna be yellow. Yellow with a black tail. And then black wheels, coilovers. Things will be looking sweet. That's it. That was the video. Couldn't start the car. Did the trim. Gonna do a bunch of other stuff next. Not sure. If you're gonna do that window trim and that top glass, wear rubber gloves. Because that stuff does not come off your hands, that epoxy stuff, to seal the roof. Yeah, we got a lot of stuff going on that. Thanks for watching. Keep me posted. Is it a good video? Bad video? I don't know. I'm just trying shit out. Yeah, it's the Cobra Kai shirt too, dog. But I was going to put some Softail stuff in here, but I'll leave the Softail stuff for its own video and Corvette stuff for another video. But yeah, more stuff coming soon.